This is the first of its kind, fully furnished 24/7 power, 24/7 water terrace duplex right here in Independence Layout Phase 2 in Enugu State, Nigeria. Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new on this channel, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed, so I bring you this type of real estate deals. Look at this house. This is beautiful. Right here is the visitors toilet. So these are 4-bedroom terrace duplexes right here in the Independence Layout Phase 2 for sale, and you can see it's furnished. Aside from the chair, the TV, the ACs, the inverters, washing machine, water dispenser, they are all right here. They come with the house. They are all complimentary. They come with the house. This is beautiful. There's a room here. This is room number 1. You can see it's spacious. It's spacious. It comes in suite. All the rooms are in suite. Comes with a wardrobe. And if you were ever thinking of doing an Airbnb or a shortlet, or you want to buy for your own self, you want to buy where you can live, this is quite affordable for Independence Layout Phase 2. And I'll tell you that this has a beautiful payment plan. I'll definitely show you that towards the end of this video. See all the equipment it comes with. All these are for you. Washer and dryer. This is actually 2-in-1 washing machine. That's an inverter with about 8 batteries. So you have enough power. These come with the building. So you have 24/7 power. You have 24/7 water. This is good for business. There's a kitchen here, quite spacey as well, with the slabs, beautiful slab. There are wall cabinets as well. There's a back door because there's a backyard down there. You know, comes with a gas cooker. Look at that, a 4-burner gas cooker with an oven. This is beautiful. So all you need to do is bring your bag and move in. It comes with the fridge as well. This fridge comes equipped with this fridge as well. So all you have to do is pay, bring your bag and move in, and this is just 35 million naira. Let's go upstairs. Let me show you what upstairs looks like. And you know, interesting thing about this house is finishing. They actually took their time finishing this house. The staircase rail was beautifully done. The walls were beautifully done. You can see upstairs there are 3 rooms. There are 3 rooms upstairs, including the master bedroom. So the left room here is one other room. This room number 2, quite spacey, with a chair, side lamps, all in suite, has a toilet and bedroom. If you are looking to do a shortlet in Enugu, or you want to do an Airbnb business is picking up in Enugu. If this is what you want to do, this is a beautiful place for you. Come buy a couple of units here. You can see they are beautifully done. Or you're looking for a house you want to buy in Enugu, this is 35 million naira for all of these awesomeness. There are 3 rooms upstairs, 1 room downstairs, parlor, kitchen. This right here is another room. You can see it's all in suite as well. The toilet and bathroom down there. There is a cabinet by the side there. Okay, 35 million naira outright payment. If you want to pay installmentally, there's a beautiful 2-year plan on this property. 2 years plan, beautiful 2 years plan. All you have to do is to make a 15 million naira initial deposit and spread the balance off. With the installmental payments, it is now 45 million naira. So you pay an extra 10 million naira if you're paying in 2 years. So initial deposit of 15 million, and then you move in. After paying the initial deposit, you move in and then spread the balance in 2 years. Now this is the master bedroom. You can see it has a balcony that opens up to the compound. You can see there's space actually in this compound. Each of the buildings has a 2-car park space, and of course beside the building there are also space for, so if you want to have extra cars, you can actually go there and park them. So this is the master bedroom. See, it's spacious, it's bigger, obviously. Comes equipped and furnished. There's an AC for each of the rooms. Okay, so this room comes with an AC as well. That's the AC there. And then the last room over there. So these are 3 rooms upstairs. So 2 rooms and then a master bedroom upstairs. Downstairs is 1 room, and you can see the compound, beautiful compound, actually well done. Call me now. Call me on 080967376668 so that we can bring you here for inspection. There are 24 units on this, and about 8 of them is sold out already. So 8 of them are sold out. This is still new. Okay, so as at today, 10th January 2022, 8 has sold out. So you want to hurry up and call me so you can secure your own place too. So this is beautiful. For investment sake, if you want to do a shortlet, or you want to register for Airbnb, this is beautiful. There's water here, there's security. This place is totally secured, 24/7 power, compound space, everything available for you. So go ahead and call me now. Like you can see, the backyard has some space as well. Call me now on 080967376668. So let's come for an inspection and you can come pick your own plot. With 15 million naira, you make a deposit and get your keys to your own apartment and spread the balance in 2 years. 50 million upfront, but if you're paying outright cash, you pay 35 million naira, you get your house, you get your keys, and you move in immediately. This is Independence Layout Phase 2, just across from Independence Layout, about 10 minutes drive to the government house, about 20 minutes to the airport. This is right in the heart of Enugu town. Go on, give me a call today. I'm expecting your call, and let's bring you for an inspection and book your own place. Enjoy a fantastic day, and bye for now.